Welcome to the personal property tour for 28 Laurel Avenue in Methil. This is a fabulous 3-bedroom family terrace villa, finished to an excellent standard inside, move-in condition, in a great location. You've got off-street parking, great garden to the rear. You're at the end of a cul-de-sac, so there's nothing coming through. I'm just going to flip the camera and take you on the tour. So this is the property here. Straight away you can see the finish from the outside. So you've a metal gate here, you've got a shared pen for your bin access, you've got off-street parking, so you've got this checkered driveway, just let you see. So as you can see, you've got the double gates here as well for access. Then literally opposite the property, you've got the green over here, which is great for the children, and then literally there's a walkway just over here. It takes you straight across to the primary school. So this is a fantastic family home, great location. You can see you're at the top of the close, so you're at a private cul-de-sac at the end, nothing coming through, and great views. And I'll take you on the tour. So I love the finish on the outside, the oak colour is fabulous. We'll go into the entrance vestibule. You can see straight away the lovely oak and glass doors. So great standard of finish throughout this property. We come into the entrance hallway, lovely and spacious and bright as you can see. You've got a great little nook under the stairwell here, so this is a fantastic opportunity, perhaps to put a little working desk, a wee home office. You've got the window here as well, which is grand, so it's letting in lots of natural light, so it could be a really good usable space. And you'll see straight away as we go through the finish, so you've got these lovely oak doors, and this is a big storage cupboard, so lots of storage in this property as well. We've got upstairs, again you can see the standard of the finish. I love the mirror there, it's a really good way of bringing in lots of additional light. But on the split landing you also have this additional window, so lovely and bright. Go around the landing, you have another big storage cupboard in here as well. So go along the landing, then we're going to go into bedroom number 1. So bedroom number 1, as you can see, lovely big size double, lots of space. You've got lots of furnishings in here, so you've got room for a desk, the wardrobe, overlooks from the garden as well at the back. I'll just show you from this angle, so lots of space. This is a great size double. And from here, we go into bedroom number 2, which is straight across the landing. And again, it's a really good size double. You've got these lovely doors finishing again. And you can see straight away that there's good furnishing space in there. A good sized double room. Lovely big window again, so lots of natural light coming in, overlooking the rear garden. From here you can see lovely big square room. Plenty of room for a desk, gaming area as well. And out of here we go into the hallway, and then we're going to go into bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3, which is currently the master room. Straight away you can see the amount of storage you've got. So you've got the floor to ceiling wardrobes, giving you lots of space. Lovely big room. That's a big bed as well. And again you've got another storage cupboard over here. You've got lovely big double window to the front, so lots of natural light coming in this room as well. Really spacious property. Great space. You could have a great chaise lounge perhaps at the bottom of the bed. Really nice. Then off the hallway again, straight ahead to the bathroom. So the bathroom has recently been renovated, and you'll see the standard finish as soon as we go in. So I love that radiator. It's a beautiful radiator. You've got your inset WC, lovely big shower. So you've got your walk-in double shower. I love the finishing. So you've got the kind of golden brass finishing with your rainfall shower head, thermostatic shower. I love the screen as well with the black and the glass. And then you have your wash hand basin here. Again, you've got the gold and brass taps, but I also love the finish in here. The wrought iron way of setting the sink, it's just beautiful. So really nicely finished in the bathroom. So we'll go back out into the hallway. You can see here the attic hatch, so that gives you space into the loft for storage. And we head back downstairs. Again, just as we go through here, you can see how long the hallways are. So lots of space in the property. I guess that's why it looks so bright as well, which is grand. So then straight across the hallway into the lounge. Again, you can see the standard of the finish with the doors. So lovely doors here, and when you go in, it's just beautiful inside. Really spacious family home. Got this great big window as well, so lots of natural light coming in there. You have an alcove for display there as well. You've also got your mounted fire. It's a great space if you see it from this angle. Again, it's a lovely big room. And then you go straight ahead into the kitchen. So again, you've got the similar door. And then I love the flooring. Straight away you can see nice sized kitchen. Plenty of space for your white goods in here. Nice window right into the garden at the rear. And this cupboard at the end as well is huge. It would have been the original coal store, so it goes the full length of that wall, so really big cupboard. And you can easily see lots of space for dining in here as well. So it's a lovely big room, and then it leads you straight out into the garden. So we head into the garden, you can see straight away, a lovely garden. Really well designed social space. To the side here you've got the timber gate, which gives you access to the shared pen for your bin access. You've got lovely social space, so you've got this great seating and dining area. Then you've got this additional entertaining space over here as well, with your fire pit, etc. It's a lovely, lovely garden. Totally enclosed as well, not really overlooked. You can see the property to the rear. Such a spacious home. You've got a lovely big shed here as well. So plenty of outdoor storage. Really is a nice garden. And you've got this patio area here, also drying area. So lots of space here. So as I say, just to recap, this is a personal property tour for 28 Laurel Avenue in Methil. It's a 3-bedroom terrace property, finished to an extremely high standard, in a great location. You literally are at the end of CUL-DE-SAC, so plenty of space here. You've got the fields just opposite, and in the walkway just across the path, straight into the primary school for the children. This is on the market with ourselves at offers over £130,000. If this is of interest, you can feel free to message me directly here, or you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. It's in a great location, as I say. You're close to a lot of amenities here. So not only have you got the school that I mentioned earlier, you're 2 minutes and you're up to the amenities. So you have the butchers, the bakers, co-op. You're about an 8-minute drive to Leaving Beach. You're going to have the train station there. You're going to be close to Kirkcaldy, about a 15-minute drive. So again, that's taking you the links through to Edinburgh, Dundee and beyond. Really is in a fabulous location. And it's Fife Property City. Take care. Bye bye.